Okay, Sec 3A Maths, we are going to do the question number 6 of your May holiday assignment. Now, this question says the function fx equals to x cubed plus ax plus b, and this function is exactly divisible by x plus 3. When they say exactly divisible by x plus 3, means the remainder is 0. Okay, and also given that fx leaves a remainder of 56 when divided by x minus 4. So there is two things that we need to do here from this fx. So this fx equals to x cubed plus ax plus b. I will first divide it by x plus 3 using the remainder theorem, which is x cubed plus ax plus b is equals to the quotient multiplied by the divisor plus the remainder, which is 0. So I can write one equation here, and another equation will be x cubed plus ax plus b equals to the quotient multiplied by the divisor, which is x minus 4 plus the remainder of 56. Okay, from here we can do smart substitution. Okay, when we do smart substitution, what do we substitute? We want to make this 0. So we just need to substitute x equals to negative 3. So I'll just write substitute x equals to negative 3. And I'll just go ahead, negative 3 cubed plus a negative 3 plus b equals to 0. Because after I substitute minus 3 inside is 0. I get negative 27 minus 3a plus b equals to 0. Now I rearranged it. I get b equals to 27 plus 3a. Alright, then I go on to the next one. What I want to do is make this 0. So what I need to do is just substitute x equals to 4. And just go ahead and substitute x equals to 4. So 4 cubed plus a 4 plus b equals to, now once my qx, I substitute 4 inside x minus 4 is 0. My remainder is 56. Now let me work out 4 cubed equals to 64. So it's 64 plus 4a plus b gives me 56. Let me rearrange it, and I'll get 4a plus b equals to 56 minus 64 is negative 8. Now, from here, I got two equations. I can do simultaneous equation. This equation 1, this equation 2. So what I do is I can just substitute b equals to 27 plus 3a into equation number 2. So I have 4a plus b is 27 plus 3a. 4a plus b equals to negative 8. Combine them, simplify them. 7a plus 27 equals to negative 8. 7a equals to negative 8 minus 27, negative 35. And I get my value of a is negative 5. Alright, substitute a equals to negative 5 into equation number 1. And I have b equals to 27 plus 3a. That's 27 minus 15, 12. So I got my value of a and b. A is negative 5 and b is 12. That's it. Now, this is part 1. Part 2 is asking for this. Determine, showing all necessary working, the number of real roots of the equation fx equals to 0. So we have fx is equals to x cubed plus ax plus b plus ax, which is minus 5x plus 12. Substituting the values that we found just now. They want the number of real roots when fx is equals to 0. Now read the question. He says fx is equals to 0. Okay, fx is equals to 0. What we need to do is equate this to 0. X cubed minus 5x plus 12 equate to 0. Now I need to solve this. How do I solve this? We need to find a factor first. See, it says that this function is exactly divisible by x plus 3. Exactly divisible by x plus 3 means you can divide by x plus 3 and it gives you a remainder 0. So we are going to do long division on that. So I'm going to do x cubed. I'm going to put plus 0x squared minus 5x plus 12. I'm going to divide it by x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to factorize it. So x squared multiplied by x gives you x cubed plus 3x squared. Then you get minus 3x squared. This is minus 5x. I need to minus 3x here. Then I get minus 3x squared minus 9x. And then this is 4x plus 12. So this is plus 4. 4 times x, 4x plus 12. My remainder is 0. Alright, this is my long division. So basically, now I know x cubed minus 5x plus 12 is actually equals to x plus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So this is actually this. Alright? Equals to 0. So how many roots are there? Let's try to solve. So we have two brackets equals to 0. So it's either x plus 3 equals to 0 or x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. Now we all know this is x equals to negative 3, or let's try to solve x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. Can we factorize it? X squared positive 4 negative 3x. Let's try. So this is x, this is 4, this is 1. You can't factorize it. So you realize you cannot factorize it. Let's try to do b squared minus 4ac. And let's see what is the value of that b squared minus 4ac. Minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Now this is 9 minus 16. Oh, do you realize 9 minus 16 is a negative number, which is negative 7. And negative 7 is less than 0. Now if you remember the previous topic, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no roots. There are no roots, means there are no answers here. So if there are no roots, x minus 3 is the only root. So therefore, the question asks the number of real roots for the equation. So how many real roots are there? There is only 1, because the other side doesn't give you anything. So therefore, there is only 1 real root. That's all for question number 6.